Hello, and welcome to day 5, Friday, November 6th. We are in our last day of the 7th module. Let's see what we have to do today. It is Friday, so it is async day. So let's see what we have. You have 2 activities. First, you're going to read Spark Achieve 3000 article Right on the Money. You guys have all done a great job in improving your score. Please continue. Remember to try and get 75% on the first time. So some of the questions you might get: opinion, fact, and also since then. These are cause and effect. Okay? So pay attention to those and be on the lookout for those types of questions. Your next async activity is making a budget. So you're going to create a budget for various purchases. Okay? And you're going to explain why. So here's an example. I will save $5,000 in the next year because I want to put a down payment on a house. So you will come up with your strategy, because, and your reason, and then click submit. When you go into your account, you will see my document. You will click my document and then you'll click edit over here next to submit. And then you will do that activity. And that's it for async. Today will be a little bit different. I will be available from 9:30 to 10:30 by phone. Okay, I'll be available from 9:30 to 10:30 by phone if you have any questions. You can call me through Remind or you can call my number. Okay, and I will be able to assist you if you need any help. Please do your work. All right, have a great weekend. Good luck.